Hello everybody. So today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about an equation for the sphere. So now I will show you how to answer. We have diameter that is about BQ. So we have 2 points in here. Now the first thing we need to find that is about the center. We know that the center should be on diameter. To do about this one, we can use about midpoint. So we can find about C in here. So I will put about SC, YC, and ZC. That should be about SB plus SQ over number 2. Now we can go to YC and ZC. So SB that is about number 1. SQ that is about number 1. This one we have 1 and 7. This one we have negative number 5 and number 1. So we calculate. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 4. And this one we have negative number 2. So C in here that should be about 1 for negative number 2. Now we want to find radius. To find about the radius, we can use about diameter divided by 2. Now we need to find the value of the length BQ. To find the value of this one, we have the formula in here. First, we need to find the vector BQ. So we have 1 minus 1. 7 minus number 1. 1 minus negative number 5. So this one we have 0. 7 minus 1 we have number 6. 1 minus negative number 5 we have number 6. And now we can find the length of this one. And we have the square root of number 0 to the power of 2 plus 6 to the power of 2 and 6 to the power of 2. We calculate about this one. And we have 6 with the square root of number 2. Now we put this one go in here. And we have 3 with the square root of number 2. Now we can apply the formula of the sphere. So we have SC. That is about number 1. YC. That is about number 4. And ZC. That is about negative number 2. Negative with negative in here. We have positive. Radius. That is about this one. So in this situation, this one we can calculate. That is about 18. This is the end. Thank you for watching.